Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today I want to share with you a new lace pattern, and as you can see in my front, this is the needle layout. I've already cast on at least some few rows, and this is Bunky knitting machine, brother Bunky knitting machine. So guys, so you can see what I have as the needle layout. So it's going to be set of 3 needles each. So and it's not even, it's odd numbers of 3 needles each. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5, and at the back we are having 1 2 3 4. So it's not even, and is I mean that is odd number, and we have 2 needle as the edge needles by the side of the work right now. This is how the patterns goes. So I'm going to work with the 3 sets of needle that is outside right now. So I'm going to make transfer of the stitches into the center of the needle. So make sure you notice the one that goes first. So this goes first. So I'm going to transfer them on the middle needle, this. So I'm going to transfer all of them just like this, and push them to hold at once. Push them to hold E position, I mean. So I'm going to do this and this, then push to hold, then this and this to hold. Then I'm going to push to hold. So all the needles that we transfer, they are on the middle of the needle of the set of the 3 needles. So I've already pushed them to E position. Then I'm going to press the hold on button so that they will not knit. Then make sure the empty needles at A position, so they are not going to work for now. Then I'm going to knit 3 rows right now. 3. So that's 3 rows, guys. Then after the 3 rows, I'm going to bring them back to work, the empty needle. I'm going to bring them back to work and knit 1 row. Then I'm going to make sure I push the button, the hold on button, back to work. So that all this needle on E position can knit. Then I'm going to knit 1 row. You remember all the needles at A position are back at work right now. Then I'm going to knit 1 row. So that's it, guys. That's the one pattern. So I'm going to reset the pattern right now by going to the other set of 3 needles. So that's it. You can see the one we work with here. So that's it. Then I'm going to do same by transferring them to the center needle, then put it on hold, on hold, then go, put on E position or hold position, then this, on hold. So you can see what we have. Then I'm going to press this to hold position. Then I'm going to knit 3 rows right now. 1 2 3. Then bringing the needles at A position back to work right now and knit 1 row. Then before knitting 1 row, I have to press this to work so that the needles on hold can knit. Then knit 1 row right now. So that's it, guys. So this right now, then I'm going to make transfer and push on hold. Push on hold. So that's it, guys. Then I'm going to press hold on. I need 3 rows. That's 3. Then pack the empty needle back to work. Press hold back to work and knit 1 row. That's it. Then I'm going to continue by working on this set of 3 needles right now. Now, pass this back to work. Press this. This is how I will continue till the required length is achieved. So guys, you can see what we have. You can see how beautiful this lace pattern is. This is on Bunking knitting machine. So I'm going to show you right now how it looks on standard knitting machine. So guys, you can see what we have here, the one I knitted earlier with standard knitting machine. So this is how it turns to, the stitches are so small, and this is the one with bulky knitting machine. Both of them are adorable. You can see how beautiful they are looking right now. Beautiful stitches, beautiful lace pattern. So guys, you can see, and you can see